You are staring at a dashboard, and every single light is turning a deep shade of red. Your system just got slammed with a million requests. It was never designed to handle this volume. This is the exact moment you realize your architecture failed you. Most developers spend their time arguing over which cloud messaging tool is the absolute best. They treat it like a competition where only one can survive. But that is a complete misunderstanding of the craft. You are not choosing a favorite child. You are building a nervous system for your software. Let's look at the queue service first. It is your ultimate safety net. This is a pull-based system. You should think of it as a massive, comfortable waiting room. Messages arrive and they just sit there. They wait until your backend services are actually ready to handle them. If you get a massive spike in traffic at 3 in the morning, the queue service just holds on to those tasks. Nothing gets dropped. Nothing breaks. It is durable. It has specialized areas for failed messages. You can go back and fix them later. You do not lose your data. But then you have the notification service. This one changes the pace entirely. It is a push-based system. It acts like a town crier shouting a message to anyone who is listening. It is incredibly fast. It is instant. It is the perfect tool for when you want to send one single update to 100 different places at the exact same time. But there is a massive catch you cannot ignore. If your subscriber is offline when the message fires, that data is gone. It is just gone. It does not wait. It does not care about your server downtime. That is a recipe for serious heartbreak when your critical information just vanishes into the digital void. Then we have the smartest player in the game, which is the EventBridge. This one is different. It actually cares about what is inside the message. It does content-based routing. It reads the body of the event to decide where it needs to go. It has fantastic native connectors. It works with payment platforms. It works with monitoring tools. You do not have to write messy glue code. It even features a built-in replay system. If something goes wrong, you can just play those events back. This allows you to fix your system state, but it is not a perfect solution for every case. It costs more money. In fact, pairing it with a queue can increase your costs by nearly 19%. It also does not always encrypt your data at rest by default. That is a detail that catches people off guard during security audits. The real secret to a professional setup is not picking one tool over the others. It is about layering them together. You use the notification service to fan out messages to multiple individual queues. You use the EventBridge to handle complex routing from your external partners. You use the queue service to protect your database from getting overwhelmed during a rush. They are not competitors. They are teammates. If you are just starting out, keep it simple. Use a queue for one-to-one tasks. Use the notification service for one-to-many tasks. Only bring in the EventBridge when your routing gets complex. Stop asking which one is the best. Start asking what your architecture actually needs to survive. The truth is always more interesting than a simple headline. It is about building a system that remains standing when the pressure is on. Check out the resources if you want to see the bigger picture.